Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Now a long time I never visit the vending machine. So here we go. Number one, Nissan Intelligent Mobility, then McLaren F1, the Unimog Honda City, Pagani Huayra, yellow Volvo, this Jurassic World submarine, a purple gasser, very nice. Bugatti EB110. This is a Corvette. Camaro with the Miata behind. Another white Honda City. The Bentley Continental GT3. Audi RS2 Avant. The Camaro police car, which is very nice. Maybe I will get this. The Disney boat. Ford Raptor. Jeep Gladiator. Batmobile I already have. The Goodyear truck, which I will get because the livery is very nice, Goodyear. Toyota Celica in front, which is very rare, I will get as well. This Nissan, this one I already have. This one is nonsense. Porsche 914. BMW Police, the Nissan Silvia, Toyota 86 in pink, Volkswagen, and this another fantasy casting. So which one I will get? Toyota Celica, Goodyear truck, and Camaro Police. So number 29, Raijin Express is behind. Number 39, another EB110, and number 41, Porsche Outlaw is behind. Okay. Just a moment while I retrieve the cars. So here it is. Goodyear is very nice. F-150. So is the Celica. This one, the card is very nice. If I open it, I have to do the roof lights. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.